Jesus taught about the parable of the wise and the foolish builders. Everyone who hears these words of mine and put them into practice is like a wise man who built his house on the rock. The rain came down, the streams rose, and the winds blew and beat against that house, yet did not fall because its foundations on the rock. But everyone who hears these words of mine and does not put them into practice is like a foolish man who built his house on sand. The rain came down, the streams rose, and the winds blew and beat against that house. It fell with a crash. With the lesson of a person's life, obedience to God and strong faith, building on rock foundations that will stand the hardship and storms of life.